very first vlog. So excited. I've always wanted to do vlogs, but I never did, so I thought, why not just start? And yeah, welcome. I'm finally sitting down on my desk. I did my morning routine, some chores around the house, got ready, and now I'm ready to start working. It is Monday, and on Mondays I usually just do admin work, emails, content planning, nothing too crazy, just a lot of behind the scenes business stuff. So yeah, let's start the day and let's see what we're gonna do. As you could see, I was planning my day on Notion. I use Notion for everything, like planning, organizing. I love it so much. And yeah, I just sat down and replied to some comments. I got a lot of comments over the weekend. So if you commented anything, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And now I'm gonna go over my email, see what's going on in there, and then make some breakfast because I haven't eaten and I'm very hungry. I need food to like focus and concentrate, so let's go do that. Sitting here now for like 1 or 2 hours. I plan social media content because social media is now a big part of my job. If I like it or not, I have to be on there because I do get all of my clients from, social media, from Instagram. So I have to be on there, I have to show my face, I have to be consistent, and this is why I love to plan ahead my content. So for me, planning ahead 1 week works perfectly. So I know exactly what I have to do for the week. I always try to design the posts ahead or film the reels, which is what I'm gonna do now. I have to film a reel. So yeah, and I use a Notion content planner and I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, so this is my Notion content planner. I hope you can see it well. The lighting is pretty shitty, but anyway. So yeah, here I have my kind of like brainstorming section. Here are the actual posts, what kind of posts, what the status is, what the date is. Then I just have it here in a calendar. And I can go ahead and click here and then add like a caption and stuff. So it's really helpful to have one place where I just have everything there. I actually spontaneously decided to go for a little walk because my brain is pretty fried and I don't want to, sit there now and film a reel. So I want to go outside. I hope it's not gonna rain because it was raining. Hi, babies. Bye. I just finished filming my reel. I think it turned out pretty good. I have to edit it right now. It's about 2:30 and it's always the perfect time for my second cup of coffee. So let's make our coffee. Excuse me. Why is there just water coming out? Did I not put one in? I did. Weird. Now it's working. is finished and uploaded. It took me about an hour, I believe, because I had some slight difficulties, but I made it work. And yeah, I also took care of my bookkeeping and sent everything to my accountant from last month. And basically the last thing on my to-do list for today is working out. And that's what I'm gonna do right now. I have my own home gym, which is very cool, and I'm gonna show you right now. Okay, the workout is done. It is, I think, around 5 p.m. So I'm just gonna end the video right here because I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna shower, eat, and then just chill for the rest of the night. I hope you liked this video and you got some insight into my life and what it's like to be like a designer, business owner. Let me know if you would like to see more like vlog style videos. I really liked making it. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye!